In 60 seconds or less, I will explain what email marketing is and how you can start building your online presence with Omnisend. Step 0. Connect your store to Omnisend. Create an Omnisend account and link it to your store. You're just a few clicks away from success. Step 1. Start collecting subscribers. Create your first sign-up form and let your visitors turn into loyal subscribers. Step 2. Set up your first automations. Make money while you sleep. Easily create your first automations starting with the most essential, welcome automation. Step 3. Send your first campaign. Think of a topic to cover and don't overthink it. Just hit send and kick back. Step 4. Track and analyze. See who opens, clicks, and engages. Then learn, adjust, and repeat. Build your community. Growing your subscriber list means expanding your reach and impact. That's email marketing in a nutshell. This video was a tiny glimpse into our fundamentals course where we cover most essential topics to get you off the ground. You can find a link to it in the description. Alright then, see you there?